Assalamualaikum class 7th. Hope you all will be good. Today date is 27/2020. It's my 14th lecture and day is Monday. Today I am going to start new chapter comparison of adjectives. Before starting the new chapter, I want to do exercise number 11 and exercise number 12 on your notebook. I have discussed it in my previous lecture and I told you to do it on book, but now I want you to do these activities on your notebook. See the question again. Use as many suitable adjectives as you can with each of the following noun. So nouns are given such as fortune, man, news, storm, health. So I write 4 adjectives with these nouns such as good fortune, bad fortune, ill fortune, great fortune. I have discussed this exercise in my previous lecture and I have done it on my notebook and I want you to do it on your notebook. See exercise number 12. Write down the adjectives opposite in meaning to follow. So we have adjectives such as courageous and I have written the opposite adjective cowardly. So both are adjectives and we have written the opposite adjectives in front of these adjectives such as many, few. I have done this activity in my previous class, so it is easy for you. You have to just write it on your notebook. Now I am going to start new chapter, comparison of adjectives. In this chapter we are going to learn about positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree of adjectives. We have 3 degrees of adjectives. First of all, you have to write the definition of positive degree, then comparative degree, then superlative degree. यानी आपने सबसे पहले इनकी definitions लिखनी है कि positive degree of adjectives कौन से होंगे, comparative degrees of adjectives कौन से होंगे and superlative degree of adjectives कौन से होंगे. Then you have to write the example of all 3 and the explanation of these adjectives. See the definition of first one. You have to write first the positive degree, then you have to write the definition. The positive degree of an adjective is the adjective in its simple form. So it is simple form such as good. Good is positive degree because it is used for simple form. It is used to denote the mere existence of some quality of what we speak about. कि जो भी हम बात कर रहे हैं उसकी जस्ट सेम सम क्वालिटी, सिर्फ एक जो खूबी है वो हम बताएंगे. इट इज़ यूज्ड व्हेन नो कंपैरिजन इज़ मेड. इसमें हम कोई भी कंपैरिजन नहीं करेंगे. सो इट इज़ यूज फॉर वन पर्सन, फॉर वन थिंग. अगर हम किसी एक शख्स या किसी एक चीज़ के लिए कोई एडजेक्टिव यूज़ करेंगे तो वो पॉजिटिव डिग्री ऑफ एडजेक्टिव होगी. एंड इट इज़ जस्ट सिंपल फॉर्म ऑफ एडजेक्टिव सच एज big. This house is big. So one house is there, so there is no comparison. It is just for one. So if we are using the degree of adjective or any adjective for one person or one thing, it is positive degree of adjective. Second, the comparative degree of an adjective denotes a higher degree of the quality than the positive. ये पॉजिटिव डिग्री से हायर डिग्री ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स हैं. एंड इज़ यूज्ड व्हेन 2 थिंग्स और सेट ऑफ थिंग्स आर कंपेयर. सो वी हैव 2 थिंग्स. इफ़ वी आर गोइंग टू कंपेयर 2 थिंग्स then it is comparative degree. In positive degree we don't compare anything. We have just single person or thing. Here we have 2 things or 2 sets of things such as this boy is stronger than that. So 2 boys are going to compare. So this boy is stronger. We are writing stronger er, stronger than that, कि ये लड़का उससे लड़के से ज़्यादा stronger है या मजबूत है. That is comparative degree because we are comparing 2 boys. Just one example is enough. See superlative degree. The superlative degree of an adjective denotes the highest degree of the quality. So we are writing the highest degree of quality. यानी जो भी उसकी खूबी है उसमें सबसे ज़्यादा है, वो सबसे highest है. And is used when more than 2 things or set of things are compared. So we are comparing more than 2 things. यानी in comparative degree we compare 2 things. In superlative degree we are going to compare more than 2 things. दो जो अशिया हैं उनसे ज़्यादा को हमने कंपेयर करना है. सच एज द एग्जाम्पल इज़ गिवन दिस बॉय इज़ द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट इन द क्लास. कि ये जो बॉय है क्लास में सबसे ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट है. पूरी क्लास के साथ एक बॉय को कंपेयर किया गया है कि पूरी क्लास के बॉयज़ में ये जो बॉय है ये सबसे ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट है. सो इन पॉजिटिव डिग्री वी हैव जस्ट वन person or thing. In comparative degree we have two things or two persons, and in superlative degree we have more than two things or two persons. I hope you have understand. See the example. You will write example and then write these three examples. Read these sentences. Roma's mango is sweet. Haris mango is sweeter than Roma. Gavin's mango is the sweetest of all. You can write your own names such as Raima and Haris and Gavin's. These are the Hindu name. ये हिंदुओं के नाम है. If you want to write Sara, Anila, Ali, you can write your own name also, and even you can write these names also. So in first they write sweet, second sentence they write sweeter, and in third sentence they write sweetest. So sweet, sweeter, sweetest. There are 3 degrees of comparison. Sweet we just write for one mango, and which is Raima's mango, यानी राइमा की मैंगो के लिए जस्ट वन मैंगो के लिए हमने स्वीट लगाया था. दैन हारिस एंड राइमा की मैंगो को कंपेयर किया गया है, एंड इट्स सेड दैट हारिस मैंगोस इज़ स्वीटर दैन राइमास. एंड देन गवर्नस मैंगो इज़ द स्वीटेस्ट ऑफ ऑल, यानी सबसे ज़्यादा मीठा जो है वो गवर्नस का मैंगो है. कि गवर्नस के मैंगो को सबके मैंगोज़ के साथ कंपेयर किया गया है. So see first sentence. In sentence 1 the adjective sweet merely tell us that Raima's mango has the quality of sweetness without saying how much of this quality it is. So it is just compare for one. Raima's mango को सिर्फ एक ही आम है और जिसको हमने उसकी क्वालिटी के साथ कंपेयर किया गया. इट इज़ स्वीट मैंगो. In sentence 2 the adjective sweeter tells us that Haris mango compared with Raima's has more of the quality of sweeter. It means that Haris mango is more sweeter than Raima, यानी हारिस के मैंगो को राइमा की मैंगो से ज़्यादा स्वीट कहा गया, यानी उससे ज़्यादा मीठा है. In sentence 3 the adjective sweetest tell us that of all these mangoes Gavin's mango has the greatest among as highest degree of the quality or sweetness. So in third sentence we say that the Haris mango is the sweetest mango of all. ये सबसे ज़्यादा मीठा है. We thus see that adjective change in form sweet, sweeter, sweetest. So we write er and est when we change the degree of adjectives. जब भी हम डिग्री ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स को चेंज करेंगे, जिस तरह स्वीट है उसके बाद er लगा देंगे, कंपेरेटिव बन जाएगी, और est लगाएंगे तो सुपरलेटिव डिग्री बन जाएगी. टू शो कंपैरिजन दे आर कॉल्ड द डिग्रीज ऑफ कंपैरिजन. द एडजेक्टिव स्वीट इज सेड टू बी in the positive degree. The adjective sweeter is said to be in the comparative degree. The adjective sweetest is said to be in the comparative superlative degree. So sweetest is the superlative degree, sweetest is the superlative degree, sweeter comparative degree, and just sweet is positive degree of adjectives. So we have 3 degrees of adjectives. See, you have to do it till here. First of all, you have to write the definition of positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree of adjectives. Then you have to write the examples and then explanation. Till here you will write. Leave rest of the things till here. Don't need to write these notes. I am going to cross it. Formation of comparative and superlative. So we have comparative and superlative degree. How we form these comparative and superlative degree? There are different rules. First rule is मोस्ट एडजेक्टिव्स ऑफ वन सिलेबल, यानी जिनका वन सिलेबल होता है, यानी हम जिनको वन वॉइस में बोल रहे हैं उनको वन सिलेबिक वर्ड कहते हैं. अगर वन सिलेबिक वर्ड है, अगर हम वर्ड को तोड़ नहीं रहे, जिस तरह हम बिग है जस्ट वन सिलेबिक वर्ड है, इसी तरह स्वीट जो है वन सिलेबिक वर्ड है. अगर वन सिलेबिक वर्ड होता है एंड सम ऑफ मोर देन वन, from the comparative by adding er and the superlative by adding est to the positive. If we write er we make comparative degree, if we write est we will make superlative degree. Just you have to remember er and est. वन सिलेबिक वर्ड के साथ हम er और est लगाएंगे तो कंपैरेटिव एंड सुपरलेटिव डिग्री में उसको चेंज कर देंगे. सी द एग्जाम्पल. Positive, comparative and superlative degree. This is first rule. Just 3 examples are enough. I am just underlining 3 examples such as sweet, sweeter, sweetest, small, smaller, smallest, tall, taller, tallest. So we write ER, ER, ER to make comparative degree. We write EST, EST and EST to make superlative degree. Second rule is when the positive ends in E, only R and ST are added. अगर वर्ड के लास्ट में E आ रहा है, जिस तरह ब्रेव है, फाइन, वाइट, if we have just and these words are just end with E, then we write ER, we just write R and we write ST. इन वर्ड्स के साथ हम R और ST लगाएंगे, ER और EST नहीं लगाएंगे. Such as brave, braver, bravest, fine, finer, finest, white, whiter, whitest. Till here you have to write the examples. No need to write the all. Just 3 examples are enough. Rule number 3. When the positive N in Y preceded by a consonant. If we have Y and we have consonant. See, P is consonant and Y, the word is end with Y. Then the Y is changed into I before adding ER and EST. So before adding ER and EST we change Y into I. हम Y को I में change कर देंगे before writing ER and EST, such as happy, happier, happiest. We write double P I E R, double P I E S T, happier and happiest, easy, easier, easiest, heavy, heavier, heaviest. Just 3 examples are enough. Rule number 4. When the positive is a word of one syllable and ends in a single consonant. When we have just one syllabic word and it ends with single consonant proceeding by a short vowel, and we have a short vowel. This consonant is double before adding ER and EST. So we will double the consonant. We know what is vowel. There are 5. A, E, I, O, U. These are 5 vowels, and rest of the alphabets are consonants such as D, G, T, N. All of these words are consonant. E is vowel. So in read, R, E, D, read. In read, in red color, E is vowel and D is consonant. If we have a vowel before consonant, consonant से पहले अगर vowel आ जाता है, then we write D double. We will double the consonant, such as we will write reader, redder, R-E-D-D-E-R, and reddest, R-E-D-D-E-S-T. Same. Big, we write bigger and biggest. We will write double G in bigger and double G in biggest. Hot, hotter, hottest. We write double T, H-O-T-T-E-R and H-O-T-T-E-S-T, hottest. We will double the consonant if we have a vowel before it. अगर हमारे पास एक short vowel आ जाता है consonant से पहले, तो हम consonant को double कर देते हैं. That is the rule number 4. Rule number 5. Adjectives of more than 2 syllables form the comparative and superlative by putting more and most before the positive. So if we have 2 syllabic words such as beautiful, beautiful is 2 syllabic word. Difficult is 2 syllabic word. Industrious is also 2 syllabic word. So we will write more and most before these words, such as beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Industrious, more industrious, most industrious. Till here you have to do. Now see page number 23. Irregular comparison. First we have read about regular comparison. Irregular comparison and regular comparison में क्या difference है? If we write ER and EST with the degree of adjectives, it is called regular form. Irregular comparison means all the form of adjectives will change. यानी इरेगुलर में कंपैरेटिव एंड सुपरलेटिव डिग्री टोटली चेंज हो जाएंगी. सी द फॉलोइंग एडजेक्टिव्स आर कंपेयर्ड इरेगुलरली, दैट इज देयर कंपैरेटिव एंड सुपरलेटिव आर नॉट फाउंड फ्रॉम द पॉजिटिव. यानी पॉजिटिव से हम इनका कंपैरेटिव एंड सुपरलेटिव डिग्री नहीं बनाएंगे, दे विल बी चेंज. सच एज गुड, वेल, बेटर, बेस्ट, bad, evil, ill, worse, worst, little, less, lesser, and least. So you can see with positive degree of adjectives we are not making comparative and superlative degree. We have all three degrees are changed. We will change these degrees and we have to learn it as it is. So 3 examples are enough. You will write rule number 6, irregular comparison, and then you will write positive, comparative, superlative degree, and 3 examples are enough for all the rules. See example exercise in grammar 13. So you will also do it on notebook. Compare the following adjectives: black, excellent, ill. They have given us mixed adjective. So we will apply the rule. We have learned 6 rules. Irregular rule comparison is given there, and we have other 5 rules to change positive degree into comparative and comparative degree into superlative degree. We will just do first 10 adjectives and we will write their comparison. I have done it on my notebook. Just have a look on it. See, black, blacker, blackest. Excellent, it is 2 syllabic word. We write more excellent, most excellent. Ill, it is irregular comparative degree. We will write ill, worse, worst. Gloomy, y is there. We will write IER. Gloomier, gloomiest. We will change y into I. Mad, we have vowel A and then D, so we will double the consonant. Murderer, murderest. Safe, safer, safest. Bad, worse, worst. Unjust, it is also 2 syllabic word. We write more unjust and most unjust. Guy, guyer, and guyest. Able, abler, ablest. So I have done first 10 and I want you to do it on your notebook. It's your home task. I hope you have understand. Allah Hafiz class.